Hi everybody, and welcome back to Handsthatcook. Tonight we're going to make a peach cobbler recipe given to me by one of my oldest and dearest friends, Pat. And so I've not tried it, but we're going to try it together. I've got a cup of Bisquick. It's not Bisquick that you buy, but Bisquick, and I put a half a teaspoon of nutmeg in it. And there's a little piece that didn't. There we go. Preheat your oven to 375 while we're doing this. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk that I spilled everywhere. Alright, then I'm going to stir this up. It's 1 cup of Bisquick, and if you want me to show you how to make your own Bisquick, you let me know in the comments. And I'll do a video on it. Alright, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of Bisquick, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then, this is a 9 by 9 dish over here. You can use an 8 by 8. But you're going to mix this up. And you do not grease the pan. Don't grease the pan that you're doing this in. You pour this in. Well, I'm going to have to get my spoon out. Here we go. Well, I'll get another one. There we go. Now I'm going to take a stick of butter, which is a half a cup of butter, and I'm going to melt it. And then I'll be right back. Alright, I got my stick of butter melted, which is 8 tablespoons, or a half a cup. And it says to pour it in the rest of the mixture. Now she says this is very good, Pat does, so we're going to try it out together. So, let's stir it in. So we're going to stir it in. Now, you can either use 1 large a can of peaches, sliced peaches, or 2 of the, I guess they're about 15-ounce cans, and you drain those. I use 2 cans of the smaller cans. Okay. And you put 1 cup of sugar on top of it. Then, here's my peaches. I'm gonna spread these, trying not to disturb the dough batter below. Remember, this is 2 of the smaller cans of peaches. Excuse me, or 1 large can with 1 cup of sugar. Drain them. Oh, excuse me. Now, I'm going to put this in the 375 degree preheated oven. And we're going to bake it for 50 to 60 minutes. And I'm going to keep an eye on it after 50. And we'll see what happens here. And then we'll be back. Well, it took mine 50 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. It's still boiling. So I'll bring you back when I'm ready to dip some out. Alright, well, I've dipped some out, as you can see. And here's my bowl. So I'm going to take a bite. Sam is not available. It's very good. It is very good. Now I'm going to put the recipe in the show more section for those of you who want to try it. I would use an 8x8 bowl or square container. This is a 9x9 that I used, and I just think it was a little too big. But here it is, and it is very good. And while I've got you, you remember my friend Barbara that we made the turtle candy together at her house, and she needs prayer really bad. She's been diagnosed with lung cancer. So, all of you prayer warriors out there, pray for her, please. And as well as one of my subs, Fran, and her dad, they're both ill. So pray for them, please. I know they'd appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for coming in today and spending part of your time with me. I always appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe, or try it and then let me know. And if you want me to make some Bisquick homemade, I'll also put that in the comments. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.